Hello there, a warm welcome to Proactive London. Len Clough is our next guest here from Atlantic Lithium. A warm welcome back. Plenty to catch up on. We're going to mention your metallurgical update that you put out to the market recently, but want to mention your results today because you've reported high grades from your new target there at the Ewoyaa project. So tell us more, Len.
Great. Thanks, Katie. Good to be here. And yeah, we just put out some results from our drilling project, our drilling campaign, which is underway now at Ewoyaa. So it's a 37,000 meter program, and these are the first set of results from roughly just under 5,000 meters of drilling completed. We got another 10,000 meters sitting in the lab waiting for those assay results to come through. But importantly, we got some exciting new results from the Grasscutter North target, which is actually outside of the current resource footprint. So we expect to see some resource growth there with some good intercepts over 20 meters of apparent width down drill holes. So we definitely expect to see some additional tons coming onto our resource.
And those assay results that you mentioned, when are we expecting those?
Well, look, labs are experiencing a lot of delays just due to the current lithium boom, but we should see steady results of steady flow of assay results coming through the lab over the coming months towards right through to completion of our 37,000 meter drilling program, which we're targeting to get finished during Q3 this year. So it's literally 4 rigs on site now, drilling away RC and diamond. So lots of news flow expected between now and Q3, notwithstanding our pre-feasibility study, which we're targeting to get out, literally next quarter, so in the next month or two.
Okay, and that's, I would imagine, the main focus for you at the moment.
Yeah, that there are really 2 streams of work focus in terms of field work happening currently. So that's the drilling program underway, which will deliver our resource upgrade, and that will feed into our DFS. But the other core focus is delivery of our pre-feasibility study and the next quarter. So yeah, in the next month or so, next month or two.
Okay, and what about this metallurgical update?
Yeah, so we put out metallurgical test work results. So these are results of an extensive program that we completed in support of the PFS. So we sent approximately 1.7 tons of drill core to the lab to repeat the work that we completed for our scoping study, which was based on roughly just under 500 kilos of material, so significantly larger set of samples, and across all of the deposits we drilled for our resource upgrade to 30.1 million tons. So representative sample suite. And importantly, that work we did at a 10 millimeter crush instead of the 6 millimeter crush that we'd done previously on the scoping study. And we still managed to achieve SC6 concentrate grade at 6% lithium oxide at a 10 millimeter crush, and achieving those 70% plus recoveries in our coarser grained P1 mineralization, which is our dominant mineralization. So that was probably the most important outcome of that test work, in that we demonstrated we can produce a saleable concentrate at a coarser crush, which means basically lower capex, lower opex from a machining and operating cost point of view, because you're having to use less energy to crush that rock to a 10 millimeter size as opposed to that finer grain 6 millimeter size. So that was a good outcome for us.
Okay, and that's the geology side of the equation. Let's maybe talk about the investment case as well, because if you are a keen investor, you're looking for a lithium explorer to put a bit of cash in, why Atlantic Lithium?
Yeah, well, look, the whole marketplace has been hit pretty hard over the last few weeks, notwithstanding the lithium space. Yet we really believe our project is undervalued. We have been, and we are looking at secondary listing on ASX. We see a lot of valuation increase on our peers on the ASX. But that aside, it's a fundamentally strong project with very simple geology, unique geology, simple mineralogy, and very close to operational infrastructure. So our capex and our operating costs are very low compared to our peers. It's really a really doable project in terms of developing into a mine, and we think we're significantly undervalued compared to our peers. Yet we're moving aggressively in terms of delivering a PFS, working towards our DFS, and then onwards towards production. So we're pretty excited in a very supportive government, the government of Ghana, and a very strong team on the ground. So yeah, fantastic opportunity to buy low prices into the Atlantic Lithium story.
All right, Len, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much for your time from Atlantic Lithium here on Proactive.
Thanks very much.